Good afternoon, student. In previous class, we also discussed about the different method of disposing waste material. Okay, and that are the main different ways of disposing of waste are landfill, burning the trash, and recycling, and making the compost. And recycling is the best method to disposing the waste material. Okay. In our country, one person produce 0.2 to 0.6 kg of garbage per head in per day. In some areas, a van or a sweeper collects the garbage from the homes, offices, and the dustbin at roadsides are also emptied into garbage trucks and taken to the landfill. But it is our responsibility to protect our environment and to reduce the waste material and live in harmony and cooperate with each other and follow the duty to maintain clean and beautiful surrounding. Look at here, these are the dustbin. One is biodegradable waste, second is non-biodegradable waste. Okay, means we have to separate the material from the non-biodegradable material because that material can be recycled again. Okay. Here is a story of Mr. Mehta lives in Keshavpuram and he spent his morning and evening in the park and he has built a team of children volunteer who help in cleaning the park and planting the trees, maintaining the swings, and he helped him in cleaning the park. And his effort have converted a dirty and barren park into a lush green meeting place for the young and the old. The flowers add to the beauty of park and every morning the garbage van collects the trash from the dustbin in the park and Dr. Mehta believes do what you can do to save the earth from waste. The greatest mistake is to do nothing. Means कुछ भी नहीं करना सबसे बड़ी गलती है. Every little effort counts. आप छोटे से छोटा कोई भी efforts करोगे that also make your environment clean. For example, you all are a small children. Okay, you all are small children. If you collect the garbage and throw into the dustbin, when you are moving on the road, when you are moving in a street, don't throw garbage here and there. Okay, it also a little effort but count a much. Okay, next now we have something to know and first part is tick the correct option. Animal and plant waste can be converted into LPG, biogas या natural gas. Animal and plant waste that can be compost. So answer is biogas. It is the duty of dash to keep our surroundings clean and green. The government या citizen, both government and also citizen. It is to recycle fruit and vegetable that compost. Okay, so answer is plastic. Construction waste can be used for filling ditches. Human waste in open field must be covered with dash in rural area covered with soil. Recycling is beneficial for the environment. Biodegradable waste can be used to make compost. And waste disposal is important to keep our surrounding clean. The 4 R's to reduce waste are reduce, reuse, recycle and rethink. These are the 4 R's. Okay. Goodbye.